Good morning. Today we're just going to test this fuel pump on this John Deere and see if it's putting out the proper amount of pressure and the proper amount of fuel. So let's give it a try. It says test this at the fuel tank, but if you see my previous video, you know at the fuel tank's a tough spot to get to. What it says is you got to have at least 120 milliliters in that 3 seconds that the pump runs when you turn the key on. So let's see what we got here. Let's give it another chance, because that was nothing in here. Really? Let's turn it on again. Well, let's see. Let's see. I guess there's probably no need of me throwing the gauge on it to see if it's got 2.9 pounds. That's a brand new fuel filter. Huh. You know what they say about them people that keep doing the same thing over and over and expect different results. Well, let's try it one more time. Okay. That's not good. Okay. My fuel test on the opposite side of this filter once and see if that makes a difference. Let's see what we got. Looks like the same results. Okay, I just wanted to show you something here. This pump would not pump. You've seen that. I pried this bottom off of it. Right here. I took that off, this filter. Up inside, this was all clogged right here. There's a little screen in here. See if I can get it for you. Right there. Looks about like that. It goes right in that pump there. This was completely packed with crud. I took the screen out. Now I'm going to put the pump all back together. And if dumb luck strikes me and I get this pump was $300 at the John Deere dealer. So let's see if we got it. My filter's not as in good a shape as it was, but now I know if it stops again, just take this off and clean the screen. I need to push that back on there. Probably try to like have a clean surface. Yeah, I seen that rubber hose drop down in there. There, it's down. And this hose that I used here, I got a new one. This says this was fuel line, but that was soft when I pulled that back up out of there. I wasn't happy about that. I'm going to put this piece on just to make sure that it works, but I don't know that I'll leave that in that tank. I don't foresee that holding up. There must be a special gas line if it's going to be submerged in gas all the time. And obviously this ain't it. I got this at O'Reilly's, so I'll have to check into that and see what they recommend. If this fixes this, that saved me $300. Get that back in there now. I might not have put that back right. Oh, there it goes. Now I got it backwards. Okay. Here is the moment of truth. Alright. Slip this on there. The moment of truth. If it fills up this container to 120 milliliters within 3 seconds when you first turn the key on, let me go empty this back over here in my container. Okay, let's take a peek. Are we watching? Would you look at that bad boy? It's at least 100, and my hose was probably empty. I'll bet you. Let me empty that out in my container again. Alright, now that the hose is full, let's try it. That is right there. It's a little over 4 ounces. I bet it's fixed it. You've already seen me put this together once, so let's. I'm not going to bore you with that, but oh shoot, running on my foot.